Every Revit professional knows this feeling. Complex projects, tight timelines, hundreds of decisions, all connected. The challenge isn't expertise, it's friction. The tedious, repetitive tasks that break momentum. That's where Autodesk Assistant in Revit can support you. Working directly inside Revit, the Assistant understands your model and your model context. It automates routine documentation tasks, helps apply standards consistently across your model, and answers questions about the project, all without leaving Revit. You stay in control. The Assistant proposes. You decide, review, adjust, or move forward with confidence. The result is clarity, faster production, stronger model integrity, and uninterrupted workflow from design through documentation. Autodesk Assistant in Revit, built to work alongside you, not instead of you.